Hello everyone, welcome to RMG Speaks. This is Sange from MAGMC, third semester, and today I will be talking about Northeast fashion trends. So, right now, the most recent trend in the Northeast that I've seen is actually the coquette or like cottage core aesthetic. Girls, they usually incorporate little bows and ribbons in their dresses, and the dark academia aesthetic is also popular there. And in the Northeast, we usually take inspiration from K-pop, K-dramas, etc. And recently, I've also seen people taking inspiration from the West, especially California aesthetic, something like that. The little difference between Bangalore and Northeast is, I think. The Northeast mostly follows inspiration from other outside the country, but I think in Bangalore they mostly prefer to follow trends from within the country itself, taking traditional attire, things like that. In terms of different markets in the Northeast and in other parts of India, is that the color scheme differs quite a bit. In Northeast, people prefer soft, earthy tones, and I've observed, according to me, I think here, mainly in mainland India, people tend to go for bold and colorful, vibrant colors rather than pastels and neutrals. During different festivals in Sikkim, especially, we wear kho, which is the traditional attire for Bhutia people. And of course, there are different communities even in Sikkim that wear their own traditional attires, and this is true for all Northeast states. And I think in other places like Delhi or Bangalore, they wear their own traditional attire, which is very beautiful in my opinion, and I would like to try it someday. So in Delhi, I've been there for 3 years before coming to Bangalore, and even within Delhi and Bangalore, I've noticed a few difference in styles and trends, what they wear, and especially Northeast people and other local regional people. So Northeast people, even in Delhi and Bangalore, they are quite similar in their dressing sense, and they wear sneakers, and they try to incorporate kurtas as well, but mostly they wear western items like jeans or shorts and skirts. And even in Bangalore, that's the same thing with the Northeast people, but they also try to incorporate traditional wear we also try to incorporate traditional wear in our everyday clothing. Thank you. That is all for today's episode. Stay tuned for another interesting episode. This is Sange signing off.